smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to be more intense than a cat video marathon. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone. Let's see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. Alright, let's start with the price. The DEERC D20 comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. Perfect if you want to buy a drone and still afford a pizza afterwards. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone will set you back a cool $169. That's right, folks. For that price, you could get TWO DEERC D20s and still have enough left over for a fancy coffee. So if you're looking to save some cash, the DEERC D20 wins this round. But let's see if the TENSSENX justifies its price tag. Next up, camera quality. The DEERC D20 has a 720p HD camera. Not bad, right? You can capture some decent aerial shots and maybe even impress your Instagram followers if they're not too picky. But the TENSSENX? Oh boy, it's got a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like comparing a flip phone to a Hollywood film camera. So if you're serious about your aerial photography, the TENSSENX takes this category by a mile, or should I say by a megapixel. Now, let's talk about safety features. The DEERC D20 is like a helicopter parent. It's got low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. It's practically begging you not to crash it. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for up to 20 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to annoy your neighbors at least twice. The TENSSENX, though, is like the security guard at a VIP party. It's got GPS auto return home, so if it loses signal, runs out of range, or gets low on battery, it'll come back to you like a loyal pet. Plus, with 46 minutes of flight time, you can annoy your neighbors all day long. For safety and flight time, the TENSSENX is the clear winner. Sorry, DEERC, but you're grounded for now. And now the fun stuff. The DEERC D20 lets you do 3D flips and draw flight courses on your smartphone. It's like having a mini air show in your backyard. Plus, you can control it with voice commands and take selfies with gestures. Just say, "Take off," or flash a peace sign, and you're good to go. The TENSSENX, however, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got follow me mode, waypoint fly, point of interest, and yes, even voice and gesture control. It's like the drone equivalent of a multi-talented overachiever who also plays the piano and volunteers on weekends. So for sheer fun and versatility, the TENSSENX takes the cake. But don't worry, DEERC D20, you're still super fun for your price range. Summarizing the reviews for both drones, the DEERC D20 mini drone is highly praised for being an affordable, durable, and beginner-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, making it a great entry-level choice. However, it does have limitations in windy conditions. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is lauded for its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and longer battery life. Despite some minor issues with wind resistance and a few technical glitches, it is recommended for both beginners and experienced users looking for a high-quality drone. So there you have it, smart buyers. If you're on a budget and just want some casual drone fun, the DEERC D20 mini drone is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, the TENSSENX GPS drone is the ultimate choice. Remember, no matter which drone you choose, you'll be soaring to new heights, hopefully not literally into a tree. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly safe, and see you next time. Product links are in the description.